alike. This one's called Separated Love, like a Lucian Santa in the lantern. Yo, lantern, thresh past that, I need some light. No, not type of light, unholy light. Yo, I'm left up in nocturnal sight. Couldn't see me in the light, so I crept up in the dark. They're not aiming for the heart, they aiming for the... Yo, wait till Chris never press me. Sitting on up. Next. They wanna press me. Fuck this, the sound is not going loud enough. It's by myself again, 7:49 p.m. Yeah, I'm drowning in. I just had them all around me, then I just kept counting. I just kept shouting. I think I found a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yo, why they keep making all these memes? Meme. If my life was a dream, I'd be screaming behind the scenes. Then I fucking scream, stream, live stream. Y'all like you floating away down the stream. I scream for some ice cream when I wanna taste the sweet. Nothing in the between me and my feet. I've been so, I don't know where I'm going, glitching on the beat, changing up the playback speed. If this beat is over, I will feel so sad. Good thing it keeps going, I'm feeling pretty rad. Yo, don't forget about that, yeah, and I keep it on. Then I turn it on, then I keep it on, then I turn it on. Talking about the cooler, yo, I feel like you a ruler. I don't know where I'm going, so I just keep going. And then I found out where I'm flowing, and I still don't know it. I'm practicing it, don't really know what I'm doing. I'm missing in myself again. And I'll do a take 2, cause I'm feeling rotted, that's what it's called. Yo, I think I caught it, yeah, the virus again. Here I go, it's another win, I keep going in. 4, 9, 17, 14, 27. Yo, the beat's not loud enough, I go back to the speaker, and then they turn into snorkers. Yo, I need binoculars to see that far in the dark. I turn on my night vision. Why they telling lies to your vision? I don't know why they keep singing. I'm feeling like I'm never forgiven. Yo, the exiled, yo, found my ribbon. Yo, broken blade, yo, the exiled. I'll keep floating away, yeah, they chase me down the road. I don't know where to go, so I turn so cold. Flew up in the stars, I aim for the night. I feel it right, and then I back away. I'm not trying to fight, yo, angels in the light. Now feel in the dark, yeah, I keep going so far. Hard, who cares, I just don't know no more. Why am I talking up to myself? I don't know anymore. Talking up to myself, why I'm not talking down, why I'm not frowning round the town, and I just keep going up and down and back and forth. forth like I'm rocking, like I'm bucking, rocky, like a rock star. And I just keep going, I hate talking of myself. I'd rather talk about the way I don't like it again. Myself when I'm finding myself, my friend. N-E-T-H-O-N, it's N-A-T-H-O-N, N-A-T-H-O-N. And I press another loop around. I'm keeping coming back into my super sound. And I just don't know why I feel like lose. You'll never hear me lose a sound. I think I found myself again just right now. I'll just say that again, but y'all know already. UKWI, UKYWIN, you know what I mean. No, I'm feeling clean. Yes, I feel like I'm green, red, blue, yellow. The lights keep flashing, and I keep never counting all the cash. Why is nobody, scratching that rash anymore? I don't know, it feels like a freaking chore to keep doing, going for more itches, stop looking at all the dishes. No, I never swear, B-I-S-H, just glitches, how many times they on the wish list where I'm looking right now? Down, I'm looking down, and I would like the sound to go higher. And now I'm talking to myself on fire. I just gotta, and I don't need to know. I'm going so slow, but I just keep going, and I stay frozen. In my never mind, I stay whoa, and then I go to the next beat, 'cause I'm tired of that one. Tired of that 3 chord type beat.
The AI-powered vocal chain from Autotune is your cheat code for unlocking your signature vocal sound.
Autotune plugins are on sale this holiday season for up to 70% off.
Let's go!
We got Dave 6'7" up in here. He just pulled up and he might be feeling fear. I don't know anymore, I'm looking in there. And then he left, he just disappeared. I started freestyling, I'm really weird. That's what they call me, and I'm feeling weird. I jump off the pier, then I disappear. It's a digital beat, and I feel no fear. So I'm bringing all the heat, and I'm moving my feet. I catch the heat with chili like a curry. Are you gonna make a new Nico? I'm tired of fighting you, me. Is it you and me? I'm tired of fighting Nikos. I'm tired of playing versus she goes like impossible. I don't